Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Polygon and Matic token. What just happened with Matic and Polygon has been crazy. Did 200% on increase in value on the last month. We are going to cover a little bit about the project and why we think was the reason for this big pump. Many other altcoins has been pumping, but for sure Polygon is the one that did it most. So we are going to cover all this news. If you are a Matic holder or you are interested in Polygon and Matic, you need to see this video until the end. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, Ethereum and Polygon are showing growth in key on-chain metrics and have been pumping a lot, but for sure the one that did most, it was Polygon Matic token. It was near to $1 target. I'm going to show you some technical analysis and what I am expecting to do and think to do with Polygon Matic token. But for sure the most important thing and why I think this pump it was not because of Bitcoin was pumping, because only went out $1,000, a little more than that. So Bitcoin is not really pumping yet, but Polygon did a 60% in just a couple of days. And we are one day to go until the biggest zk announcement of the year. This is happening today, actually, this is from yesterday. And one of the reasons why this pump could be is because of this launch of Polygon, the Hermez 2.0. And this is a release that Polygon has been working for more than a year. And this is a core part of the infrastructure of Polygon as a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. The Hermez 1.0 is the first ever decentralized zk rollup on the Ethereum mainnet. Polygon Hermez has been busy building Hermez 2.0. A zk implementation of the Ethereum virtual machine, and something that has never been accomplished before. Here is what you can expect for this much anticipated release. So the Hermez 2.0 is a decentralized Ethereum layer 2 scalability solution utilizing cryptographic zero knowledge technology, which is the most advanced cryptographic technology in blockchain right now, to provide validation and fast finality of off-chain transaction computations. The Hermez 1.0, which has been live since March 2021, is a decentralized, permissionless and scalable up to 2,000 transactions per second, and it has therefore successfully accomplished the purpose it was designed for, which was scaling payments and transactions of ERC20 tokens, which are the tokens for Ethereum. The team has been working in this version 2.0 and a virtual machine that executes Ethereum transactions in a transparent way, including smart contracts with zero knowledge proof validations. Although taking on this revolutionary design approach was a hard decision to make, and the objective is to minimize the users and the app's friction when using the solution. So this is very cool, an infrastructure update for the Polygon network. And I will put the link on the description if you want to check it, but actually it's really technical. But you can compare this update for today, like when Cardano is for launching Alonso or any of the big updates that Cardano launch once a year. This is similar in the Polygon network. And besides this important launch, Polygon has been receiving a lot of good news of partnerships. You know that a couple of days ago, Disney chooses Polygon to partnership in its accelerator program focusing on NFTs, AI and AR. So this has been amazing. If we check this article, actually Polygon was the only invited to this accelerator program. And here are some of the partnerships that they closed it. With Disney, with the accelerator program, with Meta, with Facebook for Instagram NFTs. Also, they have some partners with Reddit, Stripe, and DraftKings. Some more information on each partnership, you can find it on the Twitter. And right now, today is the ABM zk rollup, so many news for Polygon, and I think that is why the pump of the price action. But I want to show you this chart. This is mainly the history of Matic token. since March 2021 when we enter into this bull phase. You can see that the low that we have here at 31 cents actually was support here on this previous, before this big pump that we have in 2021. So we have a structure here on this bottom. I was expecting a low of 26 cents, but we didn't reach that yet. But right now Matic has been pumping like crazy, and if I draw a Fibonacci extension from here for this top, then you can see an interesting thing. The first one is that the top that we reach here at 97 cents, almost $1, is a very line of support and resistance. It was resistance here when we first came up here at this level on April 2021. Then we broke it, and then from there acted as support here all these days in June and July before this dump. And when we recover on that summer, we hit it as support again. And before this break to the downside, we hit it in May 2022. So actually this line, the $1 level, was our structure during 1 year for Matic token. And right now we are hitting that as resistance exactly. And if I zoom here, you can see that the Fibonacci levels to watch are the 0.382, which coincides actually with this price action here as support, this violet line. So I will expect a retracement to 74 cents for sure for this pump. And if that is not enough, then you can see the golden pocket here, which also coincides with this top and these tops here. And that is at 64 cents. So right now I think we may have hit a top here. I am not expecting that Polygon Matic token goes up $1. I really don't expect it because this was only an isolated pump from different altcoins. Even the whole market pumped it a little bit, but Bitcoin really didn't do that. So that is why I think it will not last more than this. Actually, this was not little. Like I mentioned before, from the bottom here, you can see that was a 200% to the upside from June 20. So actually 1 month exactly. Today is July 20. So you can see here, this was a 200% in 1 month in a bear market as a pump. The other thing is this line of resistance. Let me put another color so you can see it better. So this green line has been the resistance from the top here at almost $3 here. It was near here and here, but we reached it again here. And that coincides exactly with the $1 level. So this point exactly where we are, we have a lot of confluence of resistance. So that is why I don't think this is going move above $1 again. And that is why I started to short Polygon Matic in futures with a 20x leverage, because I really think we are not going to surpass that, and this was a really nice point to short Matic. So let's see how it goes. Right now I'm in profits, of course, but I put my stop loss so I cannot lose now. But I really think we are going to come back and test this level, the 74 cents at least. Have some support here, and if not, then the golden pocket at 64. So this is the analysis for Polygon Matic. I think, and this is not financial advice, that you should take some of your spot positions, and you probably will be able to buy at the lower price. So that is the analysis, guys. And before we leave, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and follow me in Crypto Sea State in Twitter, where I post this kind of trace analysis, so you will see everything there. That's all for this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.